Everyone at Cardinal Gibbons has their own interests. For some it's sports and drama for others, but one club brings a unique community together.
Check.
A club from the past is thriving, led by an alum turned English teacher, Mr. Valenti.
Tabletop Club is essentially a way for students to come after school and then decompress from the stresses of the school week.
The group welcomes everyone who shares a love for games, like club president Alex Michael.
I've always just been glued to the screen ever since I was 4 years old.
For Alex, gaming is a lifelong passion and a way to make connections.
We have a number of students who've come and essentially met each other for the first time. We have freshmen who are starting to come out of their shells within the club.
The Tabletop Club isn't just about games, it's about building friendships and finding a place to belong. From board games to video games,
No.
even a chess tournament, this club offers something for everybody.
I've been seeing so many people that I've known for years, see people who are brand new to the club, and they become immediate friends, and we all just have a great time.
For CGTV, I'm Brody with John Vavra.
Hey, game.